before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. That way you never miss a video.
What's going on, traders? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. Week 4, guys, is in the books. I'm eager to bring it to you. As you remember, if you watched my last video, we took a loss last week. It was our worst trading week of 2019 and honestly since September of 2018. So we got a lot to look forward to and a lot to build on, and we're eager to bring it to you. And we did just that in week 4. So let's get right into this. Now, week 4, guys, 8 wins, 2 losses, trading at 80% on the week, back to our norm. This right here, guys, is all the trades that we sent. All right. Now, this column right here where it says per contract is the amount of money per contract that we are filled in the market. Meaning, if one contract were to expire, that's the amount of full profit we would get. Now, I'm not including the risk. If you wanted the risk, you could look at my screen, take 100 minus that number right there, and that would be the amount of risk per contract that we are risking to get this number, okay? So that's very simple. Now, out of these trades, guys, 6 out of 10 trades expired for full profit. That's 60%, pretty darn good if you ask me, all right? Especially on a $100 investment on our website. Now, out of all 10 trades, 8 out of our 10 trades this week were able to take profit. So 80% of every trade we sent, you were able to get profit and take money. Keep that in mind. 80% you were able to take money from them. Giving us a total win rate of 80% on the week, which is great. Now, if you break this down even further, if you only took profit, now I added that here, right? These were take profit orders in between here and then right here, okay? If you only took profit, that was $775, all right? Now, if you manage your loss like we always say to do, unless your account is so big that you can take losses like that, then good on you. But on a smaller account, I will always recommend managing and minimizing loss. Maximize profits, minimize loss. In that case, we keep our trades at a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Minimum of $30, and you could probably up it to about 40 if that's the case. But I like to stay 30, right, and minimize our losses just like that. Cut it right after that. So in our case, a $30 loss times 5 contracts, because, again, we're risking 5% of our account. Up until week 5, which is next week, we're going to up our trades by 1 contract. All right, but we're going to minimize that, and that's always going to be, right now, a $30 loss for us is a $150 loss, okay? So if you did that, you got $775 profit, and we took a $300 loss on the week. That gives us a total of $475 gain on the week. Now, again, you paid $100, and that was for a month. So this week alone, you've already paid for 4 months of our service. So $7,060 was our account balance, right? And we add the $475, gives us $7,535. All right. Now, again, that's $2,535, $2,535 profit since you started with $5,000. All right. Now, let's go even further. If you take our total wins, and that's counting all the expired trades and take profits, all right? Now, we send take profit alerts to you, so whether you take them, those are recommendations. We also will send once they hit. So whether you jump out of the trade or you look at the chart yourself, and that's where the hourly course comes in mind so you can understand where you're reading from. If the chart looks good, stay in. If it looks good, jump out, right? Whatever the case may be. But this is what we did. $1,355 was total profit made, expiration and take profit orders. Okay? Total loss was still $300 because we're always going to minimize our account on a smaller account like this. So $1,355 minus the $300 loss gives us a total of $1,055 profit on the week, guys. All right, $1,055 on the week. That's a year of signals. That's your hourly, your 5-minute course. That's, you know, the mentorship course that we're launching. That's our 5-minute signal group that we're launching. So, it pays for everything. Now, if you take a look at the $7,060 that you started, you added another 1,000. You made up from week 3, and you're now up $8,115, guys. That's in 4 weeks' time. You were able to make $3,115 in 4 weeks, which even further, that breaks down to $778 return weekly off of our signal group on the month. So this total month that we showed you, and you go back in my videos, week 1, 2, 3, and now 4 are there. If you go back, you'll see that it averages out to $778 a week off a $5,000 investment, and you only paid $100 a month. Okay? So, I hope to get you guys in this signal group. It's a very great investment. If not, that's okay. Hopefully, you guys continue watching our videos and subscribe and like this video. And if you have any questions at all, reach out to me. My email address is gtradenow@gmail.com. If you have those questions. If you don't remember that email, pause, rewind, listen to it again, or go to our website, gtradenow.com. Go to the Contact Us button, and you can write your comment or questions, and it will email us directly. Either myself or one of my staff will email you back and answer your question. I hope to work with each and every one of you that are watching this video. Give us a chance. It only costs you $100. If we actually do the math on that, let me pull up my calculator. All right, guys. So if you do the math, guys, $100 investment, that's all it takes. We have 31 days in the month, right? But we don't trade every one of those days. So let's say 4 weeks are in a month, right? Obviously. Okay, so out of those days, we trade 6 days a week because we trade Sunday through Friday. All right. Now, at 6 days, we have 6. That's 6 days, and then we times that by the total of weeks. So we've got 24 trading days. Okay, so if we take our month, our month divided by the amount of days, $4.16 a day it costs you to be in this service. And you potentially can make the $3,115 in the 4 weeks, or potential $778 return weekly. Now, obviously, those numbers are fluctuating, right? We don't guarantee these profits, but this is the potential that you can have while trading our signals. Again, my name is Steve Gorniak. I look forward to working with you all. Take care. Trade safe.